my name is Mackenzie, and my dad told me I could only have a YouTube channel if I taught people how to do useful things. So here we go. I introduce you to doing the dishes. I'm sorry to inform you, but doing the dishes may seem boring, and it is. Now, as it may seem hard, we're going to break it up into small sections so you can understand it in a kid formula way. Now, this kitchen really is disgusting. Sorry to tell you, Mum and Dad. Over here, we have dishes that haven't been put away yet. We have some very dirty dishes with a little bit of sausage roll there. Beautiful. We have some tea and coffee that needs to be put away. A very dirty coffee mug. A dangerous knife. And we even have some cold, unwanted pizza up for adoption. And then here we have rubbish, a towel, and random stuff. So let's break it down into sections. Boom, ba-dum, boom, ba-dum, boom, ba-dum, boom. Okay, so let's start with section 1. Alright, these are the already clean dishes, so yeah, let's start. Be very careful with knives. Nearly done. We have finished section 1. Now moving on to section 2. Let's break down section 2 into various steps. Any dishes from the sink. Put in your plug. Dishwashing liquid. Change the water to hot. And then turn it on. Take your notes that I didn't fill the sink up all the way because I don't have that many dishes, so I don't need that much water to waste. And remember, washing the dishes can be fun. Lucky sponge and scrub them away. And this one has some rubbish in it, so I'm just going to tip that into the bin. I think I'm going to let this one soak for a bit. Ask your parents before washing the knives, because they can be dangerous. Make sure you get all those scraps and rubbish in the bin. We're done at station 2. Need to dry those hands because they're very messy. Now onto station 3, the pizza. The unwanted, unbanded pizza up for adoption. I'm just going to grab out a big plate of pizza. And I'm going to grab out some Glad wrap to wrap it all up. Cling wrap it, Glad wrap it, whatever you call it. In the fridge it goes. So now it's last station, finally, station 4, and this is just the general pack up, I guess. So just gonna put this bread in the basket, put that in the recycling, just kind of general cleanup. So that's how you do the dishes, impress your parents, and clean up the kitchen. So don't forget to subscribe, do that. And my name is Mackenzie, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. So let's break it down into sections.